अक़लियतों के मसाइल पर गौर करने के लिए बेंगलुरु में मुस्लिम क़ायदीन की एक अहम मीटिंग मुनक़्क़िद की गई, जिसमें मुख्तलिफ़ हलक़ों के MLCs और बड़े रहनुमाओं ने शिरकत की। 2 घंटे से ज़ायद चली इस मीटिंग में रियासती बोर्ड्स, कॉरपोरेशंस और काउंसिल में भी अक़लियतों की शमूलियत और डायरेक्टर्स की नामज़दगी जैसे अहम मामलात पर तबादला ख़याल किया गया। मीटिंग के बाद सालार डिजिटल से बात करते हुए कांग्रेस के सीनियर रहनुमा सलीम अहमद ने बताया कि वज़ीर आला सिद्दरामैया से मुलाकात की जाएगी ताकि इन मामलात पर बराह रास्त तबादला ख़याल किया जा सके। उन्होंने मज़ीद कहा कि ऑल इंडिया कांग्रेस कमेटी के जनरल सेक्रेटरी रणदीप सिंह सुरजेवाला के दौरे बेंगलुरु के मौके पर उनसे भी मुलाकात करेंगे ताकि अक़लियतों के मसाइल और सबसे बढ़कर नुमाइंदगी के मुताल्लिक़ पार्टी की क़ियादत को आगाह किया जा सके।
Today we had a meeting discussing about the organization and minority issues, and a lot of issues has been discussed by the legislators forum, and also about some boards and corporations and MLCs also. So nearly 2 hours the meeting took place, and all the leaders had participated. Tomorrow we'll be meeting the chief minister in the evening at 6 p.m. and we'll discuss with him the issues, also the nominations to the boards and corporations, and also the directors of the boards and corporations. Yeah, he's coming on 30th. We will be meeting Surjewala and presenting our list to him to say that maximum minority should be accommodated in the boards and corporations, as well as to consider for council also.
So you think everything is safe in Congress, because right now they're saying chances of a lot of changes are going to happen, as the Raja said?
See, no, right now we have a government. People have given us a mandate. Now our responsibility to give a good government and good governance. And also expansion is to be taken, hopefully, October, November. That's what the CM also and High Command also has said. But definitely, cabinet will be reshuffled in the month of November. So new faces will be given opportunity. And the other people who will be dropped will be utilized for the party.
And what about MLC? Because there are a lot of MLC applicants. Are we any Muslims are going?
We are trying, but still they have not. High Command has not yet announced the list. Let us hope we'll see.